Danny, how you doing?
Oh, shit. We need to do it. Where's all that? Where?
Danny.
Wow. Oh, shit. Yo. Yo, this is actually working. Yo, you can hurt it. Yo, shit. Yo.
Yo. Yo. Yeah. Yo. Yo.
Oh,
Yeah. He's a three-piece.
Exactly.
Hit that shit. That shit funny, right?
It's not doing that.
Suck it all.
It's like a blunt, dumbass.
Yeah. Check it. Yeah. Daddy's so gay. Let's suck on dick.
Let me get the last one.
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy's so gay.
Let me get the last one.
Yeah. Daddy's so gay. Yeah. Daddy's so gay. He likes to suck on my dick every night and day. He's a tweezer.